Best deals. 1. Garlic crusher. The crushed pieces are held in the curved design, allowing them to be spooned or scraped conveniently into a pan or bowl. Easy to use, apply downward pressure and rock crusher over garlic. It's easy to clean and dishwasher safe. Product link is given in the first link. 2. Toilet brush. Features a D-shaped design that reaches all areas of the bowl, including under the rim. Product link is given in the second link. 3. Facial ice bath bowl. Enjoy refreshing ice water face dunk therapy to tighten pores, reduce puffiness, calm acne, and boost natural skin glow in minutes. Smart strainer insert keeps ice cubes, fruits, and herbs away from your face while allowing smooth cold water flow for comfortable use. Product link is given in the third link. 4. Containers. The modern design features an anti-skid base, airtight lids and a transparent upper half, allowing you to stylishly and conveniently see the contents of the bowl. Free from harmful chemicals like BPA, formaldehyde, and melamine, and no toxic chemicals used in manufacturing. Product link is given in the fourth link. 5. Towel rack. Made from sturdy, rust-resistant metal for long-lasting use in humid bathroom environments. Wall-mounted design saves floor space while keeping towels and essentials neatly organized and within reach. 5 multipurpose hooks are ideal for hanging towels, robes, loofahs, clothes, or bathroom accessories. Sleek design complements most bathroom decor styles. Easy installation, simple wall mount setup, perfect for bathrooms, kitchens, or laundry rooms. Product link is given in the fifth link. 6. Peeler. Removes potato, apple, carrot, ginger skins perfectly thin layer matching blue design image, saving 80% time versus manual knives. Sharp 360 degrees rotating stainless steel blades peel evenly without waste while safety lock prevents accidents during operation. 2 speed settings handle soft fruits like tomato, hard vegetables, sweet potatoes effortlessly, perfect busy home cooks restaurant prep saving hours daily chopping. Product link is given in the sixth link. 7. Container. 5 compartments can be combined in different orders and quantities, or used separately. Portable formula dispenser, perfect for travel or on the go. Narrow footprint means it can be stored easily in bags. It also can be used as snack cups and baby food container, perfect for storing oatmeal, cornflour, nuts, candy, fruit and more food. Product link is given in the seventh link. 8. Scoop. This versatile scoop excels in handling butter, fruit, desserts, and more. Its adaptability makes it an indispensable tool in your kitchen, simplifying various culinary tasks and adding convenience to your daily food preparation. The ergonomic handle, crafted from high-quality PP, ensures a comfortable and secure grip. It minimizes hand fatigue, making it easy to scoop multiple servings without strain. Product link is given in the 8th link. 9. Watering can. Is made up of premium quality with durability. Made with heavy-duty plastic, this modern water can is built to handle the wear and tear of the growing season. Product link is given in the 9th link. 10. Pan. Features a generously sized wood handle that remains cool to the touch during cooking and allows for a secure, comfortable grip. The naturally non-stick surface provides easy food release and effortless cleaning without the need for coatings that can chip over time. Whether searing meats, sautéing vegetables, or preparing pancakes and eggs, the 13 cm by 36 cm pan is perfectly sized for most stovetop cooking tasks. Makes your dishes more delicious with a distinct flavor. Effortlessly cook your favorite dishes. Suitable for gas. Product link is given in the 10th link. 11. Tablet holder. A small detachable cup ring is installed inside the cup holder. You can choose whether to use the cup according to the diameter of the cup, with at least 6 wide armrest. Don't worry about the cup holder will not fit your wider sofa arm. You can simply place the sofa tray on any flat surface. It has the same function as a sofa arm. The upgraded sofa beverage rack has the best non-slip effect on the market. Table mat is made of quality silicone material. Product link is given in the 11th link. 12. Dish drying rack. Extends to almost twice its size to hold more items when needed. Integrated plug can be set to trap water for draining later. Raised ribs prevent water being trapped under glasses and bowls, and sloping base channels water towards draining spout. Non-scratch draining prongs which can be easily removed for cleaning. Product link is given in the 12th link. 13. Tape. Easy to install and quick remove caulking tape, mildew resistant, strong paste stability, strong seal, no residue after bonding and tearing, easy to clean. Provides a long-lasting seal and gives a finished professional look to kitchen and bath areas for bathtub, bathroom, kitchen. Keep your house clean and tidy as new one for a long time. Features stronger stickiness and adhesion than traditional PVC. It is waterproof, damp-proof. Product link is given in the 13th link. 14. Oil dispenser. Made with durable, food-grade transparent glass that lets you easily monitor oil levels and ensures safe storage without any chemical leaching. Features a tightly sealed design with a no-drip stainless steel spout, preventing spills and maintaining a clean kitchen environment. Product link is given in the 14th link. 15. Scrub. Cute patterns design, easy to bubble, and do not hurt your hand. Each sponge has a ring for easy storage and quick drying. Super household cleaning sponges affect removing many kinds of dirt. Absorbency is good. Each weight is only 7 gram, and with a 13 inches rope, please penetrate the string into the hole on the new compressed scrub sponge before you use it. Product link is given in the 15th link. 16. Ironing board. This condensed board takes ironing convenience to whole new level with its innovative design. For a start, it folds neatly in half and comes with its own hanging hook that can be mounted onto a wall or door, making it really compact and easy to store. It also features a special compartment for storing your iron, which saves valuable space elsewhere and keeps everything you need for this household chore together in one place. Product link is given in the 16th link. 17. Transparent storage bag. With the clear design that lets you quickly see the contents inside without opening the bag, and keep your wardrobe or closet neatly organized, no more digging through piles. Each storage bag offers a spacious 36-liter capacity, perfect for storing saris, bed sheets, winter wear, or clothes. Product link is given in the 17th link. 18. Collapsible bottle. Made from food-grade silicone, the bottle ensures safe, odor-free and reusable drinking experience while maintaining durability. Designed with foldable silicone material, this bottle compresses easily to save space in bags, making it ideal for travel, gym. Product link is given in the 18th link. 19. Dispenser. Feature a thick wall design and a tightly sealed lid to prevent product leakage. This helps to avoid deformation due to squeezing and prevents air from entering the container, which can lead to product deterioration. Product link is given in the 19th link. 20. Glass jar. Ideal for storing dry fruits, tea and coffee powder, masala, cookies, snacks. Round-shaped transparent jar for storing spices, cookies, has steel lids to store the contents fresh. Make your kitchen counter and pantry organized with this stylish jar. Perfect for your beautiful home and kitchen, it helps you save space in your kitchen. Ensure a quality seal with each lid seal up freshness for long-term storage. Your favorite dry fruits, snacks, pasta, coffee beans, spices, cereals, and cookies will remain fresher longer. A screw-on metal lid keeps your food fresher longer. Product link is given in the 20th link. 21. Slicer. Tool consists of a fork, watermelon cutter and watermelon popsicle cutter. You can easily cut and serve on the watermelon, completely satisfy your watermelon eating needs, able to let you enjoy watermelon happily without the juice flowing out. The watermelon slicer simply inserts into the watermelon and gently pushes to cut out complete chunks of watermelon in no time at all, which you can pour into containers to enjoy with your family or eat straight off the fork. It's fun and easy. The watermelon fork slicer cutter is made of high-quality food-grade stainless steel and PP, sturdy, corrosion-resistant, not easy to rust, safe and does not hurt your hands. The fork is finely polished with smooth edges and no burrs. Plastic handles are ergonomic and comfortable to hold. Melon cutter can be overlapped, convenient to carry, easy to store, and takes up no space at all. Perfect for family, potluck and picnic occasions. The fruit cutter can be used not only for cutting pieces but also for making fruit salad. It is a must-have fruit tool at home and a perfect gift for your family, friends and co-workers. Made from silicone food-grade material with smooth edges provides safety and durability. Lightweight, easy to carry and ideal for picnics, salads, and gifting occasions. Fork, slicer, and popsicle cutter in one for mess-free, joyful watermelon feasts. Product link is given in the 21st link. 22. Teapot. Unbreakable build helps you to use this teapot without worrying about breaking it. Premium grade stainless steel construction ensures this teapot won't break easily like your glass or porcelain pots. A removable tea infuser helps you to brew your tea easily. Just drop the tea leaves in the infuser basket and let it brew. The ample 1.2-liter capacity allows you to make 4 to 5 cups of tea in one go. Custom designed pointy spout shape helps you to pour your tea very easily, and your tea will end up exactly where you want to pour it. Moreover, you will enjoy your tea mess-free and spill-free. A cool touch handle enables you to use your teapot safely. The handle stays cool even with hot tea in the pot and makes it easier to grip. Moreover, the top lid stays secure when you pour your tea. Attractive design allows you to showcase this teapot to your friends and family proudly. They will love the classic retro look and brushed stainless steel finishing of this teapot. Teapot is for every tea lover who needs to drink a perfect cup of tea every day but cannot find teapots that are unbreakable and will not shatter. Product link is given in the 22nd link. 23. Kitchen knife set. High carbon stainless steel blades for durability and long-lasting sharpness while providing a precise razor-sharp cutting edge that will keep you slicing time and again. All-in-one complete set of specialized kitchen knives consist of 13 professional knives, kitchen scissors, peeler, a premium quality 2-stage knife sharpeners and a modern acrylic knife stand. The durable non-stick color-coated blades of kitchen knives makes it a breeze to slice and clean. The ergonomically designed knife handle provide you with a superior comfort and non-slip grip for better control and balance. 16-piece kitchen knife set meets all cutting needs, includes 8 inches chef knife, 8 inches carving knife, 8 inches bread knife, 8 inches sharpening steel, 6 inches santoku knife, 5 inches utility knife, 3.5 paring knife, 6x 4.5 inches steak knives, 3.5 peeler and 5 inches scissors and an acrylic stand, which is suitable for all your cutting tasks. Knife is forged from a single piece of high-carbon, German stainless steel. And the edges of knives are carefully hand-sharpened, while maximizing cutting precision. No rust, stains or pitting here. Chef knife set is made of ergonomic D-shaped handle. The handle perfectly fits the palm, providing optimal grip and comfort during use. All knives designed with even weight distribution for control and accuracy, letting you chop, slice, or dice like a pro. By using an upgraded coated technique, the black titanium coating is much stronger, not easy to be scratched off. After use, wash your knives by hand, and immediately wipe the knives with a soft, dry cloth or paper towel until there are no water stains. A true cutlery organizer, it makes for unique home decor gifts, chef gifts for men, gifts for women and gifts for couples who have everything. Thoughtful gift idea for college grads, newlyweds or anyone setting up a first-time kitchen. Just as useful for those who know their way around a kitchen as it is for newbie chefs just learning the ropes, the set offers the full range of cutlery needed to start slicing, dicing and chopping away. To clean, hand wash the knives and shears with warm water and a mild detergent, then rinse and dry thoroughly. Product link is given in the 23rd link. 24. Fruit infuser. Elegant and unique bottle design gets everyone around you talking. It helps you drink your favorite fruit-infused brews anywhere. Retains the original beverage flavor. Perfect detox brews in just 5 minutes. Easy to carry around for office, travel, and gym. Guaranteed attention from your friends and colleagues. This infuser bottle will help you drink your favorite fruit-infused detox brews in style. This travel bottle looks sleek, stylish and modern. This stylish-looking infuser bottle will get people around you talking. Sleek and stylish design of this bottle will get you a lot of attention. Unique design and finishing gives this bottle a premium look. Bottle's full-length infuser rod ensures that your water is infused to the very last drop, providing the best flavor possible. This means you can enjoy more flavor-infused water with fewer refills. It's durable and sturdy, ensure longevity and durability without any hassle-free experience after years of use. It's stylish and attractive, suits any kitchen settings. It's an excellent choice and will make you feel happy while using it. Product link is given in the 24th link. 25. Mini perfume refillable. Perfect for storing your perfume, cologne, aftershave, makeup remover and so on. Give you a fresh refillable perfume bottle when you are on the go all day. This perfume atomizer is handy travel size. Easy to use and easy to refill. Just press the bottom against your favorite perfume gauge and keep clicking until it is refilled. Lightweight and durable aluminum material makes the perfume bottle ideal for placing in your handbag or pocket. The shell of perfume atomizer refillable is made of high-quality aluminum and the inside of durable glass. Product link is given in the 25th link.